Hello, Jack.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you, Jack?
Yes,
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
All right, nice to meet you again, Mr. Jack. All right, so today we have our final test on the line. Are you ready for the test?
Yes,
All right, so good luck and let's begin with some vocabs. First, can you tell me the numbers, Mr. Jack?
it's number 1. It's number 2. It's number 3. It's number 7. It's number 8. It's number 9.
And?
It's number 10.
Okay, and what color is number 4? What color is number 4?
It's green.
Good. What color is number 5?
It's blue.
What color is this?
It's pink. It's red. It's yellow. It's blue. It's purple.
And
It's black.
so what's your favorite color, Mr. Jack?
My favorite color, green.
And what color you don't like?
I don't like black.
Don't like black? All right. So next up, we have got some feelings, okay, like angry, scared, sad. Okay, so first up, how is he feeling?
He, he, he is angry.
How is he?
He is scared.
How is she?
She is happy. She is sad. She is sick.
Good job. And the last stop?
He is.
No, okay, it's a she or he. She
He
is
is cold.
cold. Well done. All right, next up, we have got some school things. First up,
Backpack.
so what we say
It's a backpack. It's a book. It's a crayon.
well done.
It's a pencil case. It's a pencil.
And the last one
It's
here.
a pen.
All right, so what color is the backpack? Can you tell me?
But red and blue.
Yeah.
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow. And what color is the rubber?
Blue and pink.
Yeah, okay, so we say it's blue and pink. All right, now, can you tell me what are you wearing today, Mr.
I'm
Jack?
wearing blue and black trousers.
Black trousers and blue
T-shirt.
Yeah, I can see it's a t-shirt of Al Nasser, Ronaldo's team, right? Do you love Ronaldo? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And so, what is this?
It's a T-shirt.
How about this one?
It's a shirt.
And
It's a skirt.
what are they?
There are socks.
They?
Are socks.
Good.
They are shoes.
And
They are trousers.
well done. So, Mr. Jack, can you tell me what do you wear when it's really hot? I wear
I wear T-shirts
and
and skirt.
skirt. All right. And what do you wear when it's really cold?
Shoes.
Shoes, okay, and
Socks.
socks. All right, good. Next up, we have got some body parts right here. So first one, Mr. Jack, can you tell me which body part is it?
Nose.
So it,
It's a one nose.
it's a nose.
It's a mouth. It's a
It's a.
10 fingers.
Oh, right. You can say they are 10 fingers.
They are two legs.
Well done. What are they?
They are two eyes. They are two ears.
All right. So now, Mr. Jack, how many nose do you have?
I have one nose.
And how many ears do you have?
I have two ears.
And how many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
And the teeth?
Many teeth.
Okay, I have many teeth. Very good. All right, next up. So now, family. All right, do you love your family, Mr. Jack?
Mommy.
Okay, and okay. First tell me, do you love your family? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, and who do you love most in your family?
I love my family.
Okay, and I love my family, but you have to choose one. I love my grandpa, I love my daddy,
I love my mommy.
All right, and now, first one, who is this?
This is my daddy. This is my mommy. This is my grandpa.
And
This is my grandma.
good job, man.
This is my sister.
Good. Now, do you remember, Mr. Jack, what can we call our mommy and daddy together?
Parents.
Very good. And what can you call your grandpa and grandma together?
Grandparents.
Good job, Mr. Jack. You remembered that well. All right. Now, last up, we have got some farm animals. Okay. First one, which farm animal is it?
It's a giant.
It's okay. You can just say.
It's a cow. It's a horse. It's a dog. It's a chick.
This one.
It's a duck.
It's a duck. And how many cows are there?
There are 2 cows.
How many goats are there?
There are 2 goats.
And how many horses are there?
There is 1 horse.
Good. How many ducks are there?
There is 1 duck.
Good job. Now, Mr. Jack, can you tell me how does duck sound? Duck sound like
Quack, quack.
horse sounds like me, right? Yeah. And how about a cow? Cow sounds like moo. Yes, all right. Okay. Now the last part, phonics part. Just tell me the letter and
S.
the word. Letter
S.
is for
C.
Letter
T. Tiger. Letter G.
You sounds like
U.
U for
Umbrella. Letter V. Van. Letter W.
W for
Window. Letter S.
X.
X.
X sounds X for
Bus.
box.
Box. Letter Y.
Y for
Yellow. Letter Z.
Z for
Zoo.
very well done, Mr. Jack. That's the end of our speaking test today. You did tremendous. Well done. Give me a high five. Good luck and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay.